Hello students, welcome to an IRS education channel. Today let us continue the lesson Bipin Chaudhary's Lapse of Memory. In our previous session we came to know that Parimal Ghosh, he told many things about Bipin Babu's Ranchi trip, and he told that he had a fall in Hudru Falls, and after that Parimal Ghosh himself brought iodine, means antiseptic, for him, and he arranged a car for him, but he could not travel the next day because of pain. And also he told him that he liked the food which was prepared by Bawarchi, means cook, and at that time another friend Dinesh Mukherjee was also there with him. All these things he told, Parimal Ghosh told to Bipin Babu. But after hearing these things also, Bipin Babu was not ready to accept that he had been to Ranchi. Now let us continue. Bipin Babu spoke quietly, his eyes still on the books. Which month in 58 are you talking about? Okay, then Bipin Babu spoke quietly in a low voice. He said, his eyes still on the books. He was observing the books. And which month in 58 are you talking about? About which month of 58? 58 means 1958 you are talking. The man said, October, the month of October. No sir, said Bipin Babu. I spent puja in 58 with a friend in Kanpur. You are making mistake, good day. Then Bipin Babu said, no, you are again making mistake, because in the year 1958, in the month of October, during the holidays time, I was there with my friend in Kanpur. I spent puja. Okay, puja means here Navaratri puja. Okay, I spent my time with my friend by celebrating puja. Where? In Kanpur. You are making mistake. Goodbye. Good day. Okay. Again he said, you are making mistake. Good day. Like that he said. But the man did not go, nor did he stop talking. But that man, Parimal Ghosh, he did not go away from that place, nor did he stop talking. He was still talking. Very strange. One evening, I had a tea with you in a veranda of your bungalow. You spoke about your family. You said you had no children and that you had lost your wife 10 years ago. Your only brother had died insane, which is why you didn't want to visit mental hospital in Ranchi. See here, again some very intimate matter, close matters of Bipin Babu. Parimal Ghosh is talking about very close matters of Bipin Babu. See here, very strange. It's very strange, your behavior, your way of talking is very strange. One evening, I had tea with you in veranda of your bungalow. When you were there in Ranchi, that time, one day, I had tea with you in veranda of your bungalow. You spoke about your family. That time, you spoke about your family. You said you had no children and you had lost your wife 10 years ago. That time you told that your wife died 10 years ago. Your only brother had died insane, and you had a brother, he also died of insane. Insane means madness or disorder of mind. Which is why you didn't want to visit the mental hospital in Ranchi. Your brother died because of insanity or madness, Because of that reason only, when you came to Ranchi, that time you are not ready to visit a mental hospital. When Bipin Babu had paid for the books and was leaving the shop, the man was still looking at him in utter disbelief. Bipin Babu did not say anything. He did not give reply to him. Just he paid the amount of books and was leaving the shop. He was just leaving the shop. At that time, the man was still looking at him in utter disbelief. At that time, that man, strange man, Parimal Ghosh, was looking towards Bipin Babu in utter disbelief. Utter disbelief means complete surprise. Bipin Babu's car was safely parked in Beltram Street by the Lighthouse Cinema. After that, Bipin Babu's car moved from that bookshop and car was safely parked in Beltram Street by the Lighthouse Cinema. Lighthouse Cinema, it is a theatre name. There his car parked. He told the driver as he got into the car, just drive by the Ganga. Will you, Sitaram? Then he told to his driver to drive by the Ganga. Drive by the side of Ganga river. Will you, Sitaram? He asked to his driver. Driving up the Strand Road, Bipin Babu regretted having paid so much attention to the intruder. Okay. Then he was feeling regretted. See, regretted to feel sorry because he paid much attention to the words of intruder. See, intruder means a person who come or enter without invitation. Here, why did I pay that much attention to that strange person? About that, he was regretting. Who? Bipin Babu. He was thinking, I shouldn't have given that much attention towards his words. Attention to intruder. He had never been to Ranchi. No question about it. And he was sure. It was very clear that he had never been to Ranchi. No question about it. There was no question about it. He knew very well that he had never been to Ranchi. It was inconceivable that he should forget such an incident which took place only 6 or 7 years ago. And it is inconceivable. Inconceivable means, you say, unbelievable. It is unbelievable that he should forget such an incident which took place only 6 or 7 years ago. According to Parimal Ghosh, in the year 1958, he had been to Ranchi. Okay, so now only 6 or 7 years passed. How is it possible to forget that significant event? He had been to Ranchi. How is it possible to forget such a significant event? It is impossible, like that he is thinking. He had an excellent memory, and Bipin Babu used to think that he had an excellent memory. Unless Bipin Babu's head reeled, after thinking that Bipin Babu's head reeled. Here, head reeled means he was shocked and confused. For a moment, he got a small doubt. Unless, what is this unless? Am I becoming mad? Am I forgetting the significant events of my life? Am I going to become mad like my brother? For a moment, that small thought came to his mind. Unless, like that, he thought for a moment. Okay, let us stop here. We shall continue in the next session. Thank you for watching.